Record. Alright, we're back on again. We lost power, battery went dead. But due to modern electronics, we can just plug it in. Alright, we keep finding nothing. A little bit of nectar in the bottom.
Now, if you give those pieces back to the bees in a super or something, will they use them?
Yeah, we can go back if we want to. First, we're going to try to get to the brood.
How are you going to get that top stuff out?
That's the easy stuff. This stuff it's a little harder to do it this way.
Wow, it's hard to believe these bees built all that all by themselves.
Is there a queen cell down there?
Yeah, but it's ripped open from the side, so that means that the other queen killed it. One thing is, if we don't find a queen right now, she might be out navigating, out and flying. Make another queen cell down there. There's queen cells all over the place on the bottom. They're swarm cells down the bottom.
Get your smoke. You got a lot of bees back there.
No queen.
They're going to get funny looking. This piece right here.
You're not going to have very good sound because of that.
No, well, you gotta keep going flat.
I know.
You want it flat.
Oh, I got peed on.
Put it in front of the camera. Ah, it's too late. You dropped it? Don't step on him.
Try not to hurt the bees, but don't get
I got
There's a
peed
drone
on.
bill and he peed on her. It's all right.
Is he a boy?
A boy bee, yeah. Boy bees don't bite. No, he won't hurt you.
That's a queen cell. We probably have multiple queens in here because right
Well,
here,
if
we
you
have-
find one, go throw it in the other.
right here we have a queen cell.
Hold on, hold on.
We got another queen cell here.
Leave it down. I'll bring it to it.
Well, it's
Okay.
not there now.
These are open queen cells.
Wow.
So we may have had multiple swarms out of this thing, or they may have just
They probably go
fought.
in here.
Yeah, those queen cells look a lot better than the ones in the other hive did.
Yeah.
There's in a car. There's a lizard right there. I saw one.
A lizard?
Yeah.
Okay, he's
in the
okay.
house.
He's okay. That's better than what was in the house before. There was a black snake in
There
there.
must be a heavy flow on because these bees
I
care
don't
less about all the
like
stuff we're taking out.
Oh, well, we put the snake outside already. The snake's
I
all
don't
gone.
like things.
Okay, snake's all gone.
I saw a lizard in the house.
You sure? Cool.
Thank you. The bees on me.
Nah. What's he getting?
Now this one's got, that one's just started. This one's an open cell. A queen cut that out herself.
Nice.
This one was ripped open.
Nice. See them, Papa?
Sure, there you go. See the bees? Don't touch. Okay.
They're flying.
They are flying, aren't they? Easy, don't move. Easy, sit still. Sit still. Sit still. Stay calm. Yeah, they aren't hurting you. They're just flying around. Okay? They're flying around.
What do those bees make you, Evie? Huh?
Bug bite.
What do bees make you?
Oh, I got so many bug bites.
All right, but
All right, it's
what
not
do honeybees
bees.
make?
Honey.
Honey.
I got so many bug bites.
That's a drone, honey. He won't hurt you. Let me see. Ooh. Cool. Hold on, let me get close.
Heavier than the other ones. This thing
Oh no.
Can't focus him.
Smells good.
smells good. But looks, I've got this one been messed up and they fixed it or something.
Let me get back to these guys.
It wasn't this one.
He's not gonna hurt me.
No,
Itchy me.
he just walks on you and tickles you.
That's funny.
That's funny.
Put him in the air.
But you can't pick up all bees, honey. Only special ones that Papa tells you, okay?
It's windy out here. Windy out here. Windy out here.
Jamie? Marshmallows in it.
Are you putting them in bins?
Not yet. I haven't put any of these. There's no.
Ice
I'm
packs
looking
on
for
top.
food first.
There's 2 corned beef and
There's no reason to
cabbages in
keep
there.
this stuff really.
Actually, one bowl is just whole corned beef and
Get
cabbage.
too much.
The other one is cut
Keep it
corned
clean. They
beef,
can't keep it
potatoes and cabbage.
corn buff like
That
that.
one's ours. Corned beef and cabbage. The corned beef's not cut. And then there's another corned beef in a plastic bag, and I'm going to make Reubens for dinner out of that. I think I wrote your name on the cup.
It's another bee.
Yeah, you can't pick him up though. That's a girl bee. She would sting you.
Man, that's solid
What is
pollen
that right
here.
there? What is that? Is that drone?
That's
I
dry.
know I had to kill him. Her.
Bunch of happy ones.
But she was no good. She was broke.
Okay.
Ants.
Hoe
Ants.
cakes.
I don't know.
See what we got here. Looking to see if we got a queen in there. Leave it on the ground. Leave it on the ground.
But it doesn't, honey. It has
Tell
to
me
be
up or
turned.
down. Go down. That's all. Just... All right. Got almost solid pollen in this section for some reason.
Turn it back over though, because the way you were looking at it, what's underneath of them?
Can I see 2 bees?
There.
Can I
Queen in
see
there?
them?
Shh, careful. Shh.
You've
Ooh,
got
what's
one.
that?
Can I see
Drone?
them?
See the eyes? Look at the eyes.
I
Yeah.
want to see them.
The
The
queen
queen
has the same as the bee eye. The queen and the bees are the same. She's got bigger
She's
body,
just
bigger.
Can I see them? Can I see them?
You can see them.
Yeah, don't touch.
Well, there's a lot of bees in there.
Yes, there are. See, I got one on me. Am I worried about it? If I don't hurt him, he won't hurt me, okay?
People on me.
Yeah, they're tickling you. They tickle me too.
Can you go get her set up with the TV? Channel 320 is go watch TV until I'm done helping Pop, okay?
Nick's all vegetarian now. I don't want to take him to like a
Put them in here, down here.
Go down there.
Is there a hole up there to the lower hive?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. Is that your last frame?
Check all that in there.
Is that your last frame?
Queen could be in there. Look at that birdie. Here, right here. Don't, if the queen's in there.
Don't hurt her.
Was that the last?
By the way I'm handling this is thanks to JP. He taught us how to take and do that. How to slide your hand in there. Look at how flat that is from being real close to the back wall.
You still have a lot of bees in that back.
Yeah. They're okay there.
Okay, let's do these.
Gotta have to cut that level. Once we get one.
Hold on a second, guys. Move your heads. Those top cones.
Cut this off. the
1,
back
2,
wall.
3, 4, 5, 6. They're hanging from the top, right? Or are they
Yes.
connected on top and bottom?
Bees they usually go from the top down, and eventually when they hit bottom, then they'll connect them. But their main thing is to Hey Jim, I'm gonna get these bees back in the hive. They're real thick here. These are all nurse bees. They aren't flying anywhere.
Woo! Let those babies go. Are they going to go down?
Yep.
Get you?
No, I'm sitting there smashing
All right.
hive
just move
beetles and
slow now. Just move slow.
Do you need me for anything? I really need to go.
I was hoping you'd at least watch.
She's got a meeting.
Watching.
She's got a life.
Oh well. Look at this beetle. There's a bee. Got the beetle upside down. He's sitting there trying to sting him.
Just going to bug up my nose.
Deer bug on my head.
It's a deer fly. I would swat that.
That's the problem out here. You can't. You feel like you can't swat anything, and then you got other
Yeah,
stuff
I
on
got
you.
bit on my elbow, but I'm sure it was a deer fly.
All right, let me get the first one out.
No, get the second one out.
All right.
I'm gonna go.
I've got this back on tripod. Is Annabelle with Wes?
Let me get in there first.
Alright, see ya. Probably about 7.
Move
Okay.
Put
fingers.
it on top. You're not. I'm connected on top.
Move your fingers.
Whoa, you're moving the whole hive.
It's all right. It's going to come out of there.
Absolutely no smell.
Don't owe me any money, John. You just give.
Not
you
even.
just give
Oh,
it to
that's
me
got
like
honey
this.
smell right there.
Yeah, fine. Have you guys eaten at that fish company or something?
It's really good. And the restaurant right next to it. Not the Italian restaurant, but the bistro. It's really good too. Really, really, really good. But yeah, we like the fish go.
Got it?
I heard the People that own
Got
Safe
another
Harbor
one
own
out.
that. So their stuff's so fresh.
Yeah, I've eaten there twice. It's pretty good.
It's crowded now. It's gotten popular.
Every time we go now. It used to be.
I guess maybe not for lunch.
reservations?
I don't think they do reservations. It seems like they have this. Oh,
All right,
Alrighty.
bye.
but
Oh, did you get your package of food? It's one of those
This is good
green
comb
bags.
Right here, if you can get
They're
it
all.
out.
Every bit of this comb's good.
It's a beautiful comb.
Please go. Thank you.
You got one on your back, Jim.
I don't pay attention.
The other Jim.
It's okay.
He's hanging on for dear life. He looks like he might want to stay there for a while.
There are no eggs in this anywhere. Not a good sign.
She may be in the bottom though, right?
There's, they had, before we opened this up down below, and
Got some honey there too.
Got a lot of honey in that, don't you?
The next one's going to have a lot of honey.
Can you show us that piece, Jim?
the other side.
A lot of honey.
Right here?
Tip it downward, please. Is that capped honey?
Yeah. This. This doesn't. Looks like it's been sailed, but it looks like it's been cleaned back out or something.
How are you going to get all the bees out of the box?
We'll shake them out.
Shake them out, and then we spray the box to make it so they don't have it back in there. Put
Let me-
some bee quick on it.
Come over there. Hold on. I'm going to come over and show what's in that box. And that box is just buzzing. And how long have the bees been living in this box?
We put them in. We got them in November in the box.
October or November.
November. I think it was November.
And they had been there for a while, right?
Better dates than I am, but
And then you add it,
they were there for 3 days when we got them.
and then you add it the bottom, and they've been living in that.
Well, they just barely started moving in there in the spring.
They had frames, built out back here, but it wasn't full like it is.
So they built that all winter.
Yeah, well, when we got this in 3 days, we had nothing but solid bees across there. We could tell, we could see the frames. Now, maybe they started in the front, worked their way back. We don't know. But
Now, are you going to go into that bottom section?
yeah, we're gonna take and check that.
All right, let's get this box out of here.
Let me clean up for a second. Give me.
I'm going to take a picture of all the stuff you took out of it. I'm probably in the path of bees. They're going to be bopping me in the back of the head here. This is all the stuff that came out
All right, let's take this.
Let's just
of that
put it,
hive.
let's put it back over there and let them see what will go in there, and then we'll drop it.
Got
in
hit in
there.
the neck by a,
I'd
Right
rather
here.
take and let them go in on their own.
all
These
those
are all nurse bees.
cones.
I know, just lay them right there until we get.
Whoa, don't let
just
that
got it?
fall. Jim, do I have a bee on my neck? Right over on this
I got
side?
several of them.
No,
Okay.
no.
Thought I was being stuck by wire. I knew. I got leaf.
Ah, to get your face?
Yeah. Once you hurt a bee, they all get upset.
They get mad at you because they smell the other guy.
Well,
All right.
we don't have any smoke lit.
Yeah, why don't you have any smoke lit? Calm these guys down a little bit.
I need some smoke in there and put on my face. I don't smell
Where did
that.
he get you?
Right here. No big deal.
Did it hurt?
Not really. Not just enough to
Well,
know
I
I
was
got
going to tell you
stung.
it's going to feel better when it quit.
You don't have any smoke. What a...
We're doing good without smoke.
Yeah,
Don't
well,
worry
listen
about
to me.
no daggum smoke.
Yeah, well, listen to me. We got... Wait. We got that one there. We haven't taken that
Well,
one.
I can't get that one out.
Well, it doesn't mean you still can't take it off. These bees here, we've learned, when they take and get hurt, somebody gets hurt, somebody else gets hurt.
These stung the who out of me.
We
Let's
take-
see.
When we're closing the doors, somebody usually gets crushed, and then immediately somebody else gets stung. Normally we take a drill mower and take these off.
You want me to stop the recording for a few minutes?
Yeah,
No. You can edit it.
hey,
can't
you probably even get stung or something. Don't you want to see that?
We just saw you get stung.
Actually, I'd rather get stung once in a while than not, because it really helps with my arthritis, my arm, problems I have with my arm.
Yeah, I got stung
All
too,
right.
but it was by a
Now,
deer
when I open
fly.
this up, I like to open it away from me.
Twice.
Yep. A lot of drones in here.
What does that mean?
That means we're getting ready for swarming, really, usually.
But they
Sometimes it
did
can
just
be that,
swarm.
you've got a problem with the hive.
But you did swarm already.
Yep, we did. That's what I'm saying. It's an indication of that. When they're in the swarming mode, they know everybody else is in the swarm mode.
Why don't you save some of those clean pieces of wax for when you do your school demo?
Yep, that's a good idea. I need to pull out a tool now. It's a little tight. Right now, these bees are getting a little feisty. They're saying, "Get out of my hive." See them around my head?
And Jim, where's that smoke? Smoke his head.
Not my head. Just talk to bees a little bit. All we want to do is break up their communication. Make sure they can't tell each other when you got a problem.
Yeah, get the one that's puffing the smoke. Don't worry about the tall guy.
That's what they usually do, isn't it? Got some real fresh nectar in there.
Honey, you don't have that thing to hang them on?
Yeah, but it's inside. No.
Because you're going to get them dirty.
Boy, they are getting noisy.
Whoa. That's supposed to calm them down. Instead, you made them louder.
They'll calm down after that, though.
Didn't see any gray box. No, I didn't see it.
No, it was on the back table, I think, but that's all right. I don't know.
You are making them mad.
They're not doing anything in there, are they?
Hopefully, our queen's either in here or out flying to get mated. These are tight.
What's on them? Anything?
It's just drawn.
Are you going to put that box on the floor or leave it on the wall?
Well, it's staying right here until it gets moved to the farm. Which I don't think this one's not going to the farm. If I don't have a strong colony, there's no sense going to the farm. They can survive here and build here as compared to trying to make honey. They don't have the capability of making honey right now.
They ain't even got a queen.
May not. We get a queen out of the observation hive that's come back out here.
Look at this.
Yeah, but this one has a better chance because it had more queen cells.
This one goes right here.
What's
What'd
that?
you say, Judy?
This one has a better chance of having had a queen because it had a lot more queen cells.
Right. And hopefully she went out and went down to the corner.
Another week, if we don't have eggs, this is in trouble because there isn't a single egg anywhere. So that tells me there's probably not a queen in here.
May have to put a plate of
The
eggs
other
in here.
alternative is put this one with another hive. Alright, I don't think we have anything in there. There isn't a single brood in the whole entire thing. Alright, everything goes that way. Or we can put this one back in over there. It doesn't matter. This one's more drawn out than the others.
Don't you want that in the center?
Yeah.
I mean, you seem to have an awful lot of bees. You just need to have a queen, right?
Right. Surprising that they got
If
left.
we don't get some bees, we ain't gonna have it. Hold it.
Stay over there, please.
Alright, just bring them into the center. Let's take and shake this box into there. What?
Spider.
Oh, spider?
What is white hanging off the bottom of that box?
It's stuff that squirrels
Oh, the
got.
squirrels have. Ugh. let's see who gets bit now.
Not necessarily. Just because they're in the air doesn't mean you get bit.
There's still a lot in that box, baby.
We'll get them out. Are we going to just leave that one? Or
I
put
think
another
so.
one on?
No, there's nothing here to warrant another one.
What about all that wax over there? You're not going to give them that back?
Nope. Melt it down.
But there's no honey or
There's-
anything
there's
that
some
they
honey
need?
in there, yes. Yes, we can do a plate of honey, Jim.
Okay.
We got two things right here. We can do a plate. Foundation.
And take out one of those ones that's not drawn?
Yep.
Don't forget you have all those bees down by your foot too, Jim. Yes. Not right now, you don't.
Still got a lot of them in here.
I thought you said they couldn't fly.
The nurse, a lot of the ones that are less than a week old, they're not flying.
That one.
Did you get your finger bit?
These aren't bad. They sting. They only hurt for a few seconds. If you notice, this location is very bad for having a lot of beetles.
Love it. Love it.
All right. I'm taking a tap to this thing. I don't want to hit that bottom box.
That's like they're coming out of a shipment. But you know what, honey? A lot of them seem to be swarming right back to your box in your hand.
Yeah, that's why we're going to take and put some bee quick in here.
Shake it and then hold it against your wall.
What that can do is hit the wall. Yeah, let's do it this way. There, that's most of it. I'll get the bee quick, make it get that stay out there.
Jim is putting some of the honey into frames to give it back to them so they have something to eat.
I got them out of there. Rose, you don't know what bee quick is. It's almond oil. It's like almond extract. It smells really good. I left it in my car for a week just because it smelled good. And then
It helped.
yeah, it helped. And took in, but the bees don't like it. But it's nice to work with. And I have nothing to do with bee quick.
You gotta get that other frame to go down.
Hang on, I haven't got it down.
Why are you putting that one in?
He put honey on it.
Got it coming in.
Okay.
It doesn't seem to fit.
It's really tight in this box. You gotta take the one that has nothing on it and put this one in because it's got a lot of foam on it. It's better than what we have.
We got some more honey right here. We can put in there. Hang on, I'll break it loose.
This one here is probably. This one here. I want that one there. Perfect location and it's empty. You got it? Yep. I don't know about this hive.
It used to be a very good hive.
If I had a queen right now, I'd definitely be wanting to add her in there.
Well, how many
Try
days?
Some of those Hawaiian queens that
Check it out.
oh, well, wait.
How many days does she fly around to mate?
Just one day.
Not 3 days, really.
She'll fly back.
She needs to get between a minimum 12 if she's going to last any length of time. And as many as 60.
What?
The top end, 60
50.
mates.
They hope gets hit.
You got one going up your chest too.
Boy, that one burns.
I know.
Gotcha, huh?
This one burned.
Why don't you smoke them and see if you can calm them down a little bit again?
You gotta get that wax out of the top.
That board on the
It's time to get them closed up.
board on the
Yeah,
ground,
well-
does that go back on them?
Yeah, but
No, we
Leave
gotta
that-
put a top on it.
Well, then you got to get all those bees off that board.
they're getting pretty touchy right now.
Yeah.
I've taken what? 3 stings already? That's more than I've had all year. This
And
year.
what'd you do that for? Do it up there.
Yeah, you're dropping bees all over the floor.
Alright. Can you smoke them off there? Front here?
You don't want to put a lid on there?
Yeah, let's go with it. I was gonna put this.
Why don't you tap those
to get a,
bees? There's nothing holding that hive there, huh?
No.
Gravity?
That's it.
Now, all those bees that are over there on that wax, will they go back by themselves?
More than likely. Whoops, smoke headed your way, sorry.
You still have all that wax over there, and you're not going to give them that back, huh? Now, will you save some of that other wax to make frames to give them later? Or is
No,
it better
we'll
just to give
melt
them
it down.
pre-drawn frames?
Just melt it down.
But then you had to buy wax to make the other kind of frames, right?
Probably a plastic with some of this wax melted on it.
We have here is a screen top with a feeder built into it. That's on backwards.
Why would you need a feeder if it's starting to be...
Well, it's a capability. It gives us.
Got
I
the
think-
tails in the air.
If I get anybody, I'll know real quick. Why is that board so bowed up? Get a lid for this.
You want to feed them?
They're all hanging out at the door now. Trying to get back in, I guess.
That's a good thing. I'm going to give them a little room and close it up a little later.
I got plenty of room to get in. I wouldn't change that. Don't change that, please.
We're going to change. We'll clean it up later.
Alright. Now we'll just put this on.
Hang on. You can't do that.
The bees that are in the top, can they get down?
No.
No.
That's why he's kicking them out. Put this on.
hold it and let me push it. Jim, hold the screen, boy.